Dreading that post-lunch bloat or constant tummy grumbles? You're not alone. According to a study published in the National Institutes of Health, over 70 million people in the United States experience digestive disorders each year. These issues can range from occasional discomfort to chronic conditions, impacting daily life. But before you reach for the antacids or resign yourself to a life of tummy troubles, there's good news. The key to a happier gut might be sitting right in your pantry. Welcome to Health Saps. This video explores 7 delicious and complete recipes packed with gut-friendly ingredients that can naturally improve your digestion and overall well-being. Number 1 is spicy salmon with roasted rainbow veggies. Recipe: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss salmon fillets with olive oil, salt, pepper, turmeric, and ginger. Roast veggies like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and sweet potatoes seasoned with olive oil and herbs. Plate roasted veggies and top with cooked salmon. Gut benefits: omega-3 fatty acids in salmon fight inflammation, while roasted veggies like broccoli and Brussels sprouts are high in fiber for smooth digestion. Turmeric and ginger add a gut-soothing kick. Number 2 is overnight oats powerhouse with chia and berries. Recipe: in a jar or container, combine rolled oats, chia seeds, your preferred milk, dairy or plant-based, a touch of honey or maple syrup, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. In the morning, top with fresh berries for a burst of flavor. Gut benefits: rolled oats provide sustained energy and fiber, while chia seeds are a fiber superstar. Berries offer antioxidants and vitamins. This meal keeps you feeling full and supports gut health. Number 3 is the post-workout green power smoothie. Recipe: blend spinach, banana, plain Greek yogurt, for probiotics, a scoop of protein powder, optional, your favorite plant-based milk, and a touch of honey or maple syrup, optional, for sweetness. Enjoy this refreshing and gut-friendly drink after your workout. Gut benefits: this smoothie packs a punch with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, perfect for post-workout recovery and gut health. Spinach provides fiber, while banana adds potassium and natural sweetness. Number 4 is chicken and avocado bliss salad with whole wheat toast. Recipe: cook and shred chicken breast. Combine with diced avocado, chopped celery, red onion, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper. Serve on whole wheat toast for a balanced and satisfying lunch. Gut benefits: lean protein from chicken supports gut health, while avocado offers healthy fats for nutrient absorption. Whole wheat bread provides fiber for regularity. Chopped celery and red onion add vitamins and minerals. Number 5 is Greek yogurt parfait with a berry-infused water twist. Recipe: layer plain Greek yogurt with granola and your favorite chopped fruits like mango, kiwi, or berries. Instead of drizzling with honey or maple syrup, opt for a healthier alternative. Infuse water with fresh berries like raspberries or blueberries for a touch of natural sweetness and a hydrating benefit. Gut benefits: this recipe offers probiotics and gut-friendly sweetness. The berry-infused water adds a refreshing and hydrating element. Comment below and tell us how you consume yogurt. Number 6 is spicy miso soup with seaweed salad and herbal tea pairing. Recipe: prepare miso soup according to package instructions, adding vegetables like tofu, carrots, and wakame seaweed. Enjoy with a side of seaweed salad for a complete and gut-friendly meal. Choose a calming herbal tea like chamomile or peppermint to further soothe your digestion. Gut benefits: this dish combines probiotics, prebiotics, and a soothing herbal tea for a complete gut-friendly experience. The last idea is turmeric veggie frittata with whole wheat toast and herbal tea. Recipe: Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Sauté chopped vegetables like onions, peppers, and mushrooms in olive oil. Whisk together eggs with turmeric powder, salt, and pepper. Pour the egg mixture over the vegetables in an oven-safe pan and bake until set. Serve on whole wheat toast with your favorite toppings like avocado or salsa. Enjoy alongside a cup of calming herbal tea like chamomile or peppermint. Gut benefits. This dish offers anti-inflammatory properties, fiber, and a calming herbal tea to complete the gut-friendly experience. That's all for today. It's all for improved digestion naturally. Hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more exciting ideas.